us geek out about.
Yeah.
Would love to chat, but I'm like literally like live streaming. Sorry, what was that question? Hit me again with it. Literally saw it in the chat pop up and then. This is just crazy. Again, hopefully, you know, this is the wake-up call for everybody, right? This is the moment. But knowing how things go, most people will not know that this is even happening. All right, so it looks like we're going to be making a left here. Handle that left like a champ. Check out the visualization.
Yeah, it's nice.
So we're just wrapping up the drive here. Make sure it's giving you the, hey, make sure you check out, or make sure you gather all your belongings. Funny enough, we're actually going to go pick up Bearded Tesla so they can do their thing. All right, so we're making a left here. It's just crazy.
It's boring now. It's so good.
So good.
That's the goal.
That's the goal. All right. Well, again, this was insane. We are in a autonomous future.
Wow.
Tesla's delivering. Yeah, we're sweating in the.
Sorry, sir.